Welcome, welcome. How's everybody doing? Let's see who's here. Good morning, Maria, Rick. Good morning. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Islam, bro. Wassalam, Shuaib. How are you? Good man. Good night, King Trader. Good night. Good night. All good, Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Your favorite track? This one? Mm, okay. You with the shaved beard? No, this is me. I'm Junior AFX. I'm his brother. He's out for 2 3 days. He'll be back next week. Hello everyone. Hey Mark, what's up, man? So far, the price is still in the bearish momentum. Let's wait for a few minutes. Let everybody come in, settle down, and then we're gonna start discussing about the markets. Load up. Hey, what's up? Nowadays, gold feels like Ludke Buddhu The Kushore. What? Ludke Buddhu The Kushore. I don't get it. लौट के बुद्धू घर को आए. All right, yeah. It's slow, it's slow. Until tomorrow. Until tomorrow. Tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is the FOMC day, so yeah. Until tomorrow, this loot ke buddhu is gonna be loot here. You know, I losing in my session. It's fine, Maria. But the price is still bearish though, right? So what happened in New York session? Let's see that. Let's do a little recap and then we're gonna start discussing about new session, new opportunities. So yes, this was the New York session. Basically, it dropped and then starts pushing up. And if you remember, Jatin also mentioned that, right? Okay, it's gonna respect it. It's gonna touch this. Why? Because that's the London session highs, I would say, and that's very, very common nowadays that the price do the same thing. It touch this, boom, starts going down. Now, same to once we get the confirmation again, the target is towards downside where we marked around 4,000s. Right now the price is around 4018. We can expect tonight as well if the price still respecting this. You see how slowly it's been ranging, I mean pushing down in a wave, and that's a good thing. Meanwhile, monthly, if you see, it is at the doji, right? This is the monthly. It is in the decision making, and we are 2 days away, 3 days away from closing this monthly. Same with the weekly. If the weekly starts breaking the previous weekly lows, then yes, another drop, a big drop can happen. Same with the daily, same with the 4 hour. So tonight, this 4 hour closure is important in a sense of like if it starts pushing up, there is high possibility that the price is going to reject and we're going to see another continuation towards upside, because this is where previously, let me zoom out a little bit for you. All right, this is the 4 hour. So if you see the previously the price drop here, you see a big drop, something like this, very similar. As soon as the price touches, price starts pushing it back up. So yes, there is high possibility. Same with the here. Okay, so there is chances if this 4 hour flip and give a closure above, then we can expect another price. But if it starts breaking this, then it's a easy sell. So what we need to do, as usual, we need to wait. That's it. Let the market decide and then we're going to get in. Say no without getting annoyed. No. No to what? सलाम मारिया, सलाम के शुएब भाई, कभी हमें भी इतने प्यार से सलाम कर दो यार. All right, so far nothing right now. Nothing is happening. Adab VFX. Adab. Kitty. Hey. Meow. Meow. Kitty, we need to find OJ, the white tiger, if he's still alive out there somewhere. जनाब AFX, सलाम कबूल फरमाइए. बिल्कुल. Now, yes. Now we're talking, man. Now we're talking. Yeah, guys. Make sure you send the heart me. That's your first duty here. I don't use any pass. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Can you teach me how to trade? Chadaji, you need to be in the Discord. That's how you will learn. I I don't provide one-on-one sessions anymore. If you want to book, the link is in the bio. But if you really want to learn, right, we trade two sessions. So we trade New York session in the Discord only with the members only. We have, yeah, how to doji. What you mean doji? I'll be back in a few. Yeah, take a break in. So far, the price is just ranging, guys. Nothing, nothing. And don't expect too much. Don't risk too much because tomorrow is the FOMC, and let's see. Let's see. EFX, let me know if you have a giveaway. Yeah, for that, you need to be here, right? If we do the giveaway, you will know. What is NQ doing? Anything special? Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So, fortune teller, Our Lady, what you think? VP, you think it's gonna reject and now starts gonna push up? Because this is the first candle price drop, the second one starts pushing up, and now third one. There is high possibility once the 4 hour or daily starts flipping from here. So something like this, okay? Not yet. We still need to wait for those confirmations. But something like this we can expect tonight. So for example, like this hourly still needs like a lot of time to give a closure. If it gives a closure in this range back here, then we can look for some buy side instead of taking the sells. But if it's staying below right here, then that's a different story. Okay. Monthly candle also flipping. Yeah, it's in the decision making right now. So it's going to be a little bit tough call tonight because the monthly is in the doji state, the weekly is pushing down. But if you switch to the 4 hour, 1 hour, like little lower time frames, they are giving you some indication for the price towards upside. Needs to make a higher wick. Daily needs to make the higher wick. No, it already created, but once the daily flip, it can easily push up like 200 ticks just like that over there. Actually, why not take the buy right now if we place the stops here at this currently daily lows and looking for push towards upside? That makes more sense though, because once it starts pushing up, it's going to keep continue push. Why? Because once it's gonna start breaking the daily highs, the session highs, plus the this is we know that the volume time, and it's closing back inside this range, the buyers can take over the price. Higher chances. No volume, yes, no volume. No volume, so KMD is basically giving some volume by sending the songs. Tap tap, yes. CFX. Do you trade on TradeOvate or Ninja TradeOvate? I don't trade on Ninja. No. 30 is about to close in 4 minutes. Let's see. If it gives a closure right here, there is high chances that we can see another push. Okay. So wait for the closure. Then we're gonna see. 'I was looking for a music for love sessions. Great one. Love sessions. For who? What kind of love session we are talking here, Thomas? चलो चलो मेरे साथ चलो 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 चलो. Wow, nice tune. DJFX. चलो चलो मेरे साथ चलो. Ready to take this flight. Everybody चलो चलो. Saratoshi? Who is Saratoshi? Hey dude, happy Tuesday. Hey man, happy Tuesday, man. Live trader, okay. I never heard about. Is it a boy or girl? Okay, 30 close, but ah, below there. Okay. Yeah, I think we need to wait for this hourly. If this hourly give a closure above, we can look for some buy side. Otherwise, we're gonna get into some sells. Okay. We still need to wait. Is the plane getting fuel? Let's see. Let's see. We're waiting for FOMC. Yep. At some point, we're gonna see this 4 hour gonna flip, this daily gonna flip, and we're gonna see this plane to fly. दुखी गाने लग गए यार दुखी गाने नहीं लगाने Okay, it's a mix. That's fine. That's fine. Zabardast Gana. Okay, Heather. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's see. On the fuel, getting the fuel right now. Once the fuel is done, get ready. भाई थोड़ा ट्रेड प्लान का बता दें भाई थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाएं हैदर भाई you need to come little early we're done with that So right now we're just waiting. We're just waiting for this hourly to give a closure above this zone. Meanwhile, we're looking also for this 4 hour and daily flip, and that's the plan. If the price stays below this zone, then we're gonna look for some sell side. Sorry, bye, was at work? Man, why you working? Quit your 9 to 5, quit your business, sell out all your business. You need to do trading all the time. You can make millions of dollars here with the trading. Why you working, man? Come on. Why you wasting your time working 9 to 5 for somebody when you can make a lot of money? But I lost million. Yes, if you lost million, then it means somebody make millions. So you are basically at the opposite side of that. So you need to learn, you need to think how you can be from losing side to other side where you can make money. I'm 9 to 5 trader, okay. If you're going to fund my expenses, then yes, bye. Yeah, definitely, man. That's what we do in the New York session. We fund everybody's expenses. So I come with the so this is the book, right? So I come with the book and I open it. Okay. So I ask everybody in the VIP. So guys, what is your expense for today? Okay. Somebody say, "Oh, I need to get the coffee from the Starbucks." Okay, $6. Okay. I need to put gas in the car. Okay, here's your $50. Okay. I need to pay the rent. Okay, $5,000. Here's your. So that's why I write all the expenses and I give it to them. That's what we do. What you talking about? How much did you make, bro? Is it gonna change anything for you? How much I make? Is it gonna change anything for you? Jeez, simple question. Man, never ask a man how much he make and what's the size. So you asked the wrong question, buddy. Where are you based? My base is in Afghanistan. Don't tell anybody. Shh. Shh. I won't quit my job. Man, you need to, buddy. You need to. Come on, man. You're not gonna grow. You're not gonna grow. It's real love, guys. It's real love. Hey, thank you, thank you. Okay, now the price is pushing up 20 more minutes. This owl is about to give a closure, and it looks like we're gonna get into buys very soon. He renting, yeah. No, I'm okay. Let's not talk about. We can talk about in the New York session about those topics because here some people are really really crazy. They don't even get the jokes, so they take it all the jokes to the other way. They're not smart enough to understand that. Are you in? No. You see this jet, it's still getting fuel. Once it's done getting fuel, then you're gonna see it's gonna fly. Right now it's landed. It's taking some passengers. Once the plane is full, but you need to choose. You want to sit in the business class or back right next to the bathroom? Because careful, some people they eat some samosa chaat and get on the plane, and you're sitting right next to the bathroom door. You will have the full sound experience with some fragrance. What's the airline called? This is the AFX jet. Give me free ticket to VIP. Business class is only for the VIP, and you need to pay for that. If you want to be freeloader, you're gonna sit right next to the bathroom. It's gonna be smelly, I know. How many of you think that the 4 hour or daily can flip towards upside and continue pushing up? Let's see. How many of you, if you think the buys are coming, type buy in the chat. If you think the sells are coming, type chat sells in the chat. Let's see. I want to know. Once upon a time, there was a fortune teller. Her name was Kitty Demore. She used to tell us very, very good fortunes about the gold, what's going to happen in the market. But nowadays, because of the market, here you go. There you go. I get out of you from my brain. Yes. Do I need to accept Kitty's call? Ignore her. Ignore. Decline the call. I'm gonna be viral then. It's good for me. It's a good publicity. He just declined my call request. That's it. What you say if the 4 hour and daily flipped? Yeah. Right now, we're not in any entry. We're still waiting for the price to give a closure above, and then I'm expecting this 4 and daily is gonna flip during the Tokyo session open. Everybody have one but. Mm, okay. Right now, Kitty, right now I'm on the daily charts. Can you see? Okay. So can you see my screen? I mentioned some things here. This one, okay. This one here, and look at the previous daily closure and look at this current daily closure with this lower wick. Once it starts flipping, there is high possibility that we can see another uh, continuation, maybe at least for this session if it flipped. Mm, mm, yep. Yeah, so what about 4 hour? You were saying something about 4 hour. Hmm. Yep. Mm, yeah. Okay. So right now, you know what you need to do? Close your eyes, take a bite, and go to sleep. No, don't do that. So God bless me, yeah. Yep. Yeah, but what you're saying, once it starts push up and then go down, that move is for most likely for maybe the London session or maybe the New York session, you know? Yeah, yeah. But we need to, yeah, yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Keelan, you need to turn on your camera to speak on the call. Okay. Good evening, Kitty. Try checking it from the 4 hour. Hmm. Mr. T, just because you are in the cells, why you want us to take the cells? You want to explain? You want to hop on the call and explain? Why should we listen to you? Hey Zach, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. You're talking to me? Nambi, no, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the signal providers in the chat who were saying sell here, buy here. I want them to come on the call and show me the way. Show me how or why should I listen to them? Why I want to get into the sells or buys? Because they are nobody. We don't know them. I don't want to hand over my money to just random person in the chat. So first I need to know them. So if they're wrong, I know where they live. So I can pay them a nice visit, you know, with some, you know, they are future tellers. Who's who wants to join? Techno Moha. Okay, I will just close. Let's see the volume time. What's gonna happen? Ooh. Gracias. Remember my name. FX. Where is SL? No SL. No SL, no loss. Simple strategy. Mm, 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 mm. So hourly, Kitty, you see this hourly have no topic right now. There is very high possibility that the price, if we didn't break this lows, it's going to be kind of fake out here and then starts pushing up. Yep. You in a trade? No, I'm still waiting. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that's when I get into the trade. Okay, it's breaking the daily lows though. Mm. Mhm. Is it gonna reject from here? Mm. Let's see if the price starts ranging here. But right now, I'm not interested in taking any setup yet. Slowly, slowly and steady, right? I started from zero and you were at what? 10, 11? 10. Yeah. Yeah. Good things take time. Mhm. All right. I think the rejection is coming here. I feel like taking the buy right now. I feel like it. I feel like it. I know because I know it no flip. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm not doing it. But it can flip for sure. The way it's rejecting, because first move is most of the time is fake out. Okay. If it didn't drop now, there's high chances that the price gonna start continue pushing towards upside. Very likely. Yeah. No, that's a wise thing to do on the flip of this. And we can place our stops at below this current hourly and ride that ride all the way towards upside. The 4 hour is also gonna flip with daily. If you then that then I don't think you're gonna find the trade until London or New York session. Greedy feelings. Yeah. Where you from, brother? I'm from Kenya. Where you from? Here comes your song. Mm-hmm. To taking the pie here. They're talking, yeah, they're talking about every time somebody asks me where I'm from. So I rotate, man. I live everywhere and I live nowhere. We need to get the new one. That's why. That's why that that's why OJ is gone. White tiger, tiger type. You guys never met? He was in Ohio. Yeah, he's shy. I guess he can only speak on the on online. Yeah, yeah, I'm opposite. I'm completely opposite to that. I'm more open. Like when I see a person like face to face in person, I'm I'm completely a different guy. Like as compared to online. Yeah. I am cursed. I'm out. Ozzy, yes, you need to out. The flip is about to come, and it's gonna keep continue pushing it up. It won't. It's gonna flip. Before it's gonna give a closure, it's gonna flip and give a closure above that zone for continuation towards upside. And then the 4 hours is gonna flip, and then the daily is gonna flip, and rest of the session is gonna go high, 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 at least 4044. And in the in the London session, it's gonna give a little drop, and then the New York session is gonna even fly more towards 4061. Flip is about to come. Kitty, did you just say how many hours in a day? Yeah. Do the 24-hour then. So you need to wait 12 hours every day. So anybody in the chat, they're gonna ask, so what time frame you trade? I trade 12 hours. So I wait for 12-hour closure and then I take that position. 12-hour play. You can customize any time frame you wanna put on. 36 hours. Mm. 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 So, Kitty, you're noticing here one thing that even though we have the clean range on the left side, if it needs to drop, right, what you're expecting, right, it should have been dropped already. I mean, this is the highest amount of volume. If it's ranging, and now if it flip anytime, then yes, it is more chances that it's gonna reject here and it's gonna start pushing to it. Because if you see here, clean range on the left, it technically it needs to drop. Like once it gives a breakout, but why we're not taking the sells right now? Because of this, because of this range, and previously little bit more range. So yeah, so it makes more sense to wait for the flip than taking the sells or buys right now. I thought you if you look at 30 minutes or 15 minutes, like okay, 16 hours. Okay, yeah, what happened in the 16? Okay, the flip is coming, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready, guys. Would you tell us when to enter? Look at the screen. I write it, wait for the flip, wait for the confirmation. Means like once this hourly is about to flip, you can look for some buys. So open your mind, stop scrolling. Tap screen, guys. Break the screen. I can't afford a new screen. Man, you will. Once you start coming here, you're gonna get the new phone with TikTok. The flip will eventually come. Get ready. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. Okay. Let's get. Brief about the flip strategy? Yes. Now we need to see some likes. We need to hit 50k likes so we can flip this 4 hour and daily right now. Let's start tap the screen, break the screen. I need to see 50k likes if we wanna push up. And once the price breaks this highs, this zone, then you can do the stops at BE and enjoy those buys if you want to do that. And it's gonna keep continue push up now. I'm gonna break the highs The daily highs, the session highs, and all the way 4044. Enjoy those buys. Don't have to do the full pot in this trade because tomorrow is still FOMC and don't expect too much volume, okay? Just take whatever market gives you. Don't be greedy. Don't be like, oh, I need to do full pot. Keep pushing it up, guys. Keep pushing it up. Right now, you're probably up what, 50 ticks? 50 ticks in this rangy market. It's like getting 500 ticks in the full volume. Easy, easy peasy. All you need to do is just wait and look my beautiful face and my beautiful moves. What TP, please? All time highs, the TP. Now, my job here is done. Now it's your job how you wanna manage your trade. Okay? Now, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣੋ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਜਾਣੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਖਤਮ Can I see some W's in the chat or no? Are you gonna be almost 100 takes? Yeah, I think this plane gets enough fuel. Let's see. And again, remember, once it starts gonna break the highs, the daily highs, session highs, you can target around 4045s. But you shouldn't be worried right now. If you're at the break even, you should enjoy the move. Do not add more. Don't do random thing right now. Market is not in a way, not in a good mood, I would say. Again, legend AFX Imran, yes sir. Called it before it happened. That's how you know he is not bullshitting like most social media traders. Mr. J. Williams. Exactly. But these people, the new people are coming here, they have no idea yet. They're so used to with other things. But you know, and the people who are in the community, they know, so that's all it matters. Good morning. Hi, bro. Good morning. Any re-entry, brother? Yeah, you need to wait for this closure now. If you miss this move, wait how this hourly give a close because the 4 hour is also about to close. And I'm still expecting this 4 hour to flip. Once it flips, then yes, it's going to be a nice push towards upside. So wait for the closure and then you can take the entry on the next candle if you want to do that. Otherwise, if you miss the train, wait for the next train to come to pick you up. Don't try to jump in front of the running train. It's gonna make your keema, and then you're gonna be an aloo keema. Thanks, bro. Grateful. Thank you, man. Take care. It's pushing very slow though. It's FOMC. I want to get funded. Okay. So, what you need from us? Do you need cosmetics from us? It's been weird all day. Yes, team. It's gonna do the same thing until tomorrow. Just cosmetics. Yes, Imran. His name is just cosmetics, so I think he needs some cosmetics from us. Some surki powder. Guys, make sure you send the heart me if you didn't already. Okay, don't forget that. See you guys tomorrow, New York. Yeah, take care, Imran. Take care, man. So Imran, you're gonna miss this whole push up, the 200 ticks, all the way upside. Night. Good night. Yeah, if you traded 2 years ago, you probably saw that. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, 14 more minutes. If this hourly give a closure above this zone, we can expect more push towards upside because at that point we are expecting the hourlies flipping, the 4 hour is already flipped. The 4 hour is pushing up and flipping. The daily is gonna break the highs. So yes, it's ranging because of the FOMC, but again, if you make your profit, you need to call out a day. If you are at the break even, then enjoy that risk-free trade. I don't know why my heart me keeps disappearing. Yeah. Do earnings affect gold in any way? Earning is in what? Like, are you talking about the FOMC or the stocks earning? The rocket. Hmm. 12 more minutes, guys. Get ready. Get ready because you know when the 4 hour is about to close and the next one gonna open, same with the hourly, we can see a lot of volume. But yes, it's ranging due to FOMC and all that. So take a deep breath. You have nothing to lose here if you're at the BE. Now, all these risk to reward traders, how much you're risking? Nothing. What you're gonna lose? Nothing. It's zero. But what you can gain, it's infinite, it's unlimited, right? It's up to you. You want to take profit here, you want to take profit here, you want to take profit here, you want to take profit here. Because you have risk-free trade. You have nothing to lose in this trade, you know? Like stock earning, yes, they don't affect gold directly, but like Nasdaq and Dow Jones and all that, of course, they're gonna affect those pairs, those assets, but not gold. Only the data or like the news is the economic calendar. If you open Forex Factory, you see here on the USD one, that's where yes, it's highly impacted, especially the high impact, the red folder one. So for example, tomorrow FOMC, so market is especially gold, crude oil, silver, they are waiting for that patiently. Bro, मैं फिर ना ही समझूं for what? Khwaja, for what? He hit our BE then up? No, it did not. Brother, only red folder is of concern. Yes, yes. Only red. No, not only red. Some medium impact news is as well. Like for example, unemployment claims every Thursday. That's medium impact, but that also uh, do impact on the market. थोड़ा flip strategy समझा दें. Okay, so what you need to know about the flip strategy, it's very simple, very basic. So what we do here, we wait for some closures, okay, and wait for some confirmations, okay, and once the price starts breaking the previous highs or lows or on the flip. So what does the flip means? Flip means when the candle change the colors. So right now it's green, right? So once it turns from green to red here, okay, it, it means it's flipping, and that's where we take our entry. So same where we take our buys right now. So we take the buys on this flip, right? So that was the red this whole time. This open here and it starts pushing down. Now once it starts flipping from red to green and now continue push upside, we're going to place our stops here looking for the sell. But before that, you need to do your work. So there is not just flipping, just waiting for, oh, you can take flip on all the candles. No, you need to identify first what's the trend, okay, what's the structure in the market. Then you need to know, uh, you need to mark your zones, okay. So you see here lines on the chart, we marked right here, we marked right here, up here and here. So first you need to identify the trends, then you need to identify the zones, then you need to wait for the confirmations, which we were waiting for before taking the trade. You probably see here I write wait for the confirmation or the flip. So that's the third step. You need to wait for that, and then you get into the execution and this trade. Okay. So if this is like your first day or you're coming here with a few sessions, I would say come here more often, and try to come on time early. So before we start our session, we basically go deep dive, uh, to do the analysis in the market. We look the previous sessions, and then we do like the marking the zones and discuss about, okay, what can happen, what are the possibilities, where we can look for the trades and all those things. So if you come early, you will get that all the information for free every single day in each session. I- if it hits your PE, I would say stay out. You don't have to get back in. That's the reason why we do. Yeah, BEO. Yeah. So if it takes you out at the break even, that's fine. Market is like ranging anyways, so don't expect anything big, right? So take a chill pill. 6 more minutes. This 4 hour closure is also coming. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. The hourly, yeah, it looks like it's gonna close doji, but took partials earlier. Yeah, that's fine, trade. That's fine. That's still a win. Bro, are you in UK? Yes. That was a good catch anyway. Thanks. Hey, Mark. You're welcome, buddy. Candy? KMD. Hmm. So, Katie, what you cooked today? Like, Spark, you're late, man. You're late. Look at the time. You're late. Our investigator is late. About to grill me. Bye. Mm. The 4 hour or hourly? It's not dodgy though. It's just little different. Almost 2 minutes. Let's see. The Lion King. Shape. Okay, my song is about to come. No more questions, please. And the 4 hour closure is also coming. So let me enjoy my song. Okay, that was it. I think that's the enough torture for you guys for tonight. Can we enter now, brother? Why you asking me? Why you asking me if you wanna enter right now? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Muhammad Arslan, if I I'm at your stage and if I already take the trade, I don't get back in the trade. Why? You see the volume, it's garbage. It's not there, it's not available. You might gonna take the trade, but it's not gonna end well. So if you're happy with that outcome, you can have fun for that. Mr. Mr. Mike Angel, are you in the chat? Mr. Mike Angel, are you here in the chat? Hey bro, Mike Angel, why you sending me kisses and flowers in my DM? Huh? Why are you sending me kisses and flowers in my DM? It keep rejecting 4029, yeah. Why? Kitty, look, is keep sending me flowers and kisses. Look, is Thomas knows. Thomas knows why. Yep. Yeah, it's slow. It's slow. I think we're gonna end up live in, let's see, next 15-10 minutes. I had my keyboard in my pocket and it typed itself. Okay, no worries, man, no worries. It's gin tonic. Yeah, Zach, congrats, man. You just passed your eval right here. Natural. All right, KMD, take care, buddy. Your price is literally going nowhere. Nowhere. Flex 50K account passed by Mr. Zach. And he is very, very new. I think he started with the pro firm and with us like a week or 2 weeks ago. And he already start passing the accounts. And soon enough, I would say next week, he's gonna start taking the payouts. The subscription, the membership will pay itself in few days, if you think like that. Not for a month, but I would say at least for a few months, just for one payout. That's crazy. Good night, Jane. Take care, buddy. See you tomorrow. Mm. Hmm. Look at Zach. Take me 2 weeks. Zach, he's in the VIP. The Amy, you remember Amy? He's not Amy. He's Zach. So he said he take me 2 weeks. So it took him 2 weeks from zero to become a hero. In 2 weeks, he passed like he had zero knowledge about how Lucid works, how the platform works, how the platform works, what are the rules, how you're gonna get the payout, how you're gonna pass the eval. It's not like he's been trading for years and he's trading with the other firms and then he joined. We train him from zero to make him a hero. And soon, inshallah, next week, Zach, you're gonna get the payout. And we're gonna discuss the strategy tomorrow in the New York session. Okay? Yeah. Good night, Maria. You have some problem. 5, yeah. On the flex, yes, 5. On on the pro you have 3. But now they have the daily. So Kitty, you don't have to do the TPT now. So Lucid have this same exact, even better rules with the daily payouts. So with the TPT you need to trade for the 5 days, but Lucid it's faster. No, but you can keep both of them, right? So stay with the top step as well. Like, don't put all your eggs in the one basket. So look at me, like I trade with all these top firms. I know, but Lucid is still my first priority. So make, okay, Lucid, okay, the first priority, try to get the max funded from them. And then you can use Top Step, you can use Tradeify, you can use Apex, you can use TPT. All these firms are legit, the top ones. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, why instead? So instead of taking the direct account, why don't you get the, you want to do the copy trading, right? Why don't you start with the five flex accounts? Copy them the way I do. Once 50K, 50K, yeah. Don't get 150K, don't get 25K, 50K, five accounts, copy trade them. Once you pass them, then you're gonna add five more in the eval and gonna trade, take them, like try to pass them slowly, and meanwhile you're trading your evals as well, because you can have 10 accounts at one time with Lucid. Be- yeah, because if you get the even two direct accounts, that's expensive. Okay, it's not like you don't know how to trade, you know, for that. Or maybe it take like 2 3 more days, but you know, once you get funded, no no consistency rule in that, in the flex one. That's why I love those, right? Some days you make good money, some days you're just flipping days, like today the garbage price action. So instead of getting the direct one, why don't you get the five accounts and copy trade them, because that's what you want to do. They have, it's no, it's the exact same rules what Top Step is giving you. There is what, consistency on what, on the eval, on the eval it's 50%. Like if you have the 50K account and you're making 1500 on one account, you are copy trading five accounts. That's how much, like 8500, no, 7500. And if you have the funded accounts, imagine, I, yeah, I showed you yesterday like what I'm doing with the Apex and all that. Yeah, you will, you, yeah, you will eventually. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Stop focusing, putting too much pressure on one account. All you need is multiple accounts. And get for the basics 150, 200, 300, 500. And that will multiply with 5, 10, 20, 50 accounts. Now instead of you're making 300 in one account, you are basically copy trading three with the 30. Now you're making $10,000, not 300, if you do the math, you know. So you need more capital, not big trades. And that's what I will do. Like, I know new members are coming, so for example Zach, he just get funded, right? So or Rick. So once you start getting first, second, third payout, then go for the copy trading and increase your uh not increase, actually multiply your trades. So that's the way to grow in the pro firm. FX, do you trade each firm separately? Yes. I do copy trading. Hmm? How long what? Yeah, why not? That's fine. That's fine. We're still gonna find something. You know us. We're gonna wait, 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 and we're sitting like in hiding in the bushes and wait for the deer, and then we're gonna attack. Like the same. Maybe it's yeah, most probably. Mm. After the news. Before the news, then if you copy trading, then after the news. If you're trading one by one, then I would say, okay, you can try with the. be- Yes, because okay, you can make 1500, but you can also blow five accounts. So the copy trading, it's a two-edged sword. You're gonna make a lot of money, but when you blow, you're gonna blow a lot of money because you're not blowing one account, you're blowing five accounts. And if you know how many accounts I blow by doing the copy trading with the Apex, with this, like I'm blowing with 20 accounts at one time, you know? Yeah. Yep. Yeah. It is. Yep. Yep. Mm. No, we don't use Thomas. We don't use third-party software, but there are very good software in the market. What I do, I basically choose to trade inside the trader weight. No, exact. It's gonna be the gonna do the exact same thing on the other accounts. Yes, he needs to eat some nuts. Spark, are you here? He's here. Spark, come on, open the call, buddy. Yeah, if you're right, yes, you're gonna make a lot of money doing trading GC. MGC, yeah, definitely. Or why don't you just take like 10 contracts in MGC and act like it's a GC? Mm. Where is your TP to the moon? Guys, can't you see the price on the chart? Are you that? Then I would say those words and then I'm gonna get banned. Are you like, I didn't say anything, but are you? No, I mean like they can see everything on the chart. I write it, it's risk free. This is TP, this is SL, this is gold, this is waiting for confirmation. Like you can see the price. Like, how can I explain it to you? It's been ranging, yes. I can see only yellow lines. Guys, okay, chat. Can you see the price on the right side? So for example, right now the price is 4031. Can you see it on the right side or no? Yes, King Milan said yes. Okay. I want two or three more confirmations. Okay, Susie said yes. So now, Kitty, tell me what you want. So no, you need to ask Susie, are you Susie, why don't you share your phone number here? So whenever we take any entry, we call you and tell you this is the price we're looking at tonight. You think she's gonna do that? She's that smart? You was also new, but look at you now. They need to learn. These people need to learn. It's a Kitty, are you talking under your bed? You, Mm. Now, Kitty, enjoy. Enjoy. Me explaining everything now. Kitty is getting sleepy now. She's lost. Susie, okay, make it simple for us, please. So why don't you hop on the call and we will try to explain you in a good way, okay? We means you. No more 101, Kitty. Only the weekly sessions and the New York sessions. Yeah. Yeah, we take New York session as a 101. So whatever your questions are, it's going to be like you're talking to me and like this, like me and Kitty, and we're talking about the markets, whatever your questions are about the strategy and all that, you're gonna get answers. Not in the chat, like where is the price, where is this, where is that? No. Hmm. Yeah. Working or probably sleeping. Two things. So you're trading London session tonight? No need to lose 400K. What? Nambi? You know who's Nambi? He's one of the VIP. I think he's Zach. Am I right? Yeah, Amy was Zach and Zach is Nambi. No, no, sorry. He's the light 13. He's the light 13. If you survive from Nambi, you can survive from Susie, anybody in the chat, I would say. But now, Light 13, you're here. See, it's everything is cool now. If Light 13 able to join the VIP guys, I think anybody in the world can do it. Any, anybody. So yeah, that was a good experience with you. Mm. All right, slowly, steady. This daily is flipping, but I'm gonna call it a night. Nothing is happening. We're gonna see you tomorrow in the London or New York session. Okay. If Kitty available, she's gonna do the London session. Otherwise, as usual, same time, same place. We're gonna do the New York session. I'm still remembering Kitty said her TP was 68, 68-ish. Is Kitty still aiming for that? Enjoy. That's what I just said. Enjoy, Kitty. Now you know why I said or act what I. But even that time, Kitty didn't said about the pie. She said about the sell side. So Susie, is this your first time here? First day? Mm. Okay. Yeah. No, 4K. Mm. Am I invited? All the ladies around me and I'm sitting. That's all you need. All right. Take some sleep, have some rest. Yeah. Good night. All right. Take care. Good night. Good night. All right. She's gone. All right. Any questions? Now it's just you and me, Susie. Susie or sushi. Will it ever come? Come what? Spark? Just keep a shaving razor with you. Mm. Yep. Yeah, it girl run. Oh, let's have like now it's time for you, Susie, to run. Now there's no kitty here on the call. There's no filter. And you know when there's no filter, how was the trading session, bro? Amazing. Good night, FX. Hey, good night, Maria. Good night. So yeah, daily is flipping, breaking the highs, and it will keep continue pushing upside around 4045, 4044s, and furthermore. Okay. So if you want to take trade, up to you. Absolutely. I'm done for tonight. I'm not gonna get in because we are very, very choosy about our trades, quality over quantity. We don't just take all these random trades. We are very, very specific about our trades. Okay. So I'm gonna call it a night. You have 5 more minutes before I'm gonna go off. So ask your questions. Okay.